auto, business insurance.
I'm pretty sure.
There you go.
Okay.
What's going on, people? We're here with all the malarkey that goes on through Halloween. This is your insurance's sexy team.
Yes.
You know Vice President Kamala Harris. And obviously, I'm your man, Joe. We are so excited to present the PKIG costume contest for Halloween. We got some other stuff going on too, don't we?
We had one other little contest, and we want to bring on the winner of our in-house contest. If you haven't already, go to our Facebook page and please click on under the picture and vote under it. Put the care sign of who you think has the best costume within the office. We already finished the voting in the office, and our winner is right here with us. Come on up.
I thought it was a little poppycock that we didn't win.
I thought so too.
People have said we didn't win the last time either.
All right, so this is Crystal Bishop. She won for chicken strip. Go ahead, Crystal. Go ahead, Crystal.
Shake those tail feathers. Oh, making it rain.
She's making it rain.
Kind of need to sniff a chicken. I don't know.
It was a tough competition, but Crystal's costume was the best. But if you haven't voted already, like I said, go to our Facebook page and vote. Crystal might win again. She has another chance.
She can win.
She got another chance. She wins twice in one day.
Big wins.
We want to show you a couple of the other contestants in the competition. Yeah, you can come.
Kim K, no, I think she needs to talk.
Oh, she want to wait a minute? Okay.
Yeah, we gotta organize. Hey, Moira Schitts.
Moira.
David
Hey,
Schitts.
God.
Up to Schitts Creek.
Yeah, they're here too. We have celebrities this time.
Goodness,
We have celebrities.
big,
Don't
big
worry.
day.
Big day.
David, the paparazzi.
So much
Come
poppycock.
on over. Come on over and say
Stand behind
hi.
the
Come
podium.
on over and say hi.
Look at all this money.
David, I remember when I was president of the United States. Is this another episode of Insurance is Sexy?
Yes.
Oh, David, insurance is sexy.
Oh, no. Watch my podium. Now watch my podium.
Okay. Well, it was rigged. We should have won anyway.
It's not fair. It was not fair.
David, is that a new accent?
Might be.
This is Christina, our lovely and fabulous commercial sales agent.
Am I out of character now?
Yeah, you out of character.
Okay, guys.
Okay. And this is Bob, our lovely and fantastic
I believe the word they
commercial
use is
marketer.
fabulous.
Commercial marketing.
Fabulous.
Yes. So they were also contestants. I know what you're thinking. How did they not win? I know.
It was rigged. It was
Enough people
rigged.
didn't know the character
didn't.
recognition.
But
I think
it was fabulous.
Yeah, if you haven't watched
Yeah.
Schitt's Creek on Netflix, hopefully tag Schitt's Creek in this, and maybe we go viral and we get to re-vote, and that'll just be, we'll be the winners.
You can still win the Facebook contest.
Yeah.
Russian collision.
I'm loving. I
Would you
love
like
the
to-
president by
Would you
your
like to
voice.
sniff my hair?
No, yes. Would you like to sniff my
Free
hair?
sniffs. Sure.
All right.
Delightful.
I don't think we'll be welcome back.
Yes. So, say goodbye.
Thank
Goodbye.
Okay.
David, goodbye.
And we got another close.
Yeah, we're never getting back.
Almost. She almost won. She did. She's used to winning. She used to coming in first, but not this time.
We're gonna have to make room for this booty.
Well, we gotta make room. We gotta make room.
I'm gonna
We
slide
gotta
out
make
the way.
room.
Come
Come
on,
on
Kim
over,
Kenny.
Kim. Come on over. Oh, you go on the other side of the podium. Oh, you don't get behind the podium.
You-
Oh, okay.
You
All right.
can block the seal.
You can block the seal. This is Shadon, everyone. She's in our service team. She's a CSR. We love her so much you can't recognize her right now, but trust me, she is fabulous. She was very high ranked up in there with Crystal. She was like within the top 3. It was a close race, a close race. Who was the other person that was really close? Oh, the other really close person doesn't want to get on camera. It was Jamie. She was going under the table. Can I show them your table, Jamie? She'll put it on and come on for us.
You can do it. In the meantime, why don't we bring up the original chick magnet?
The original.
Poppycock.
Come
Let's
on.
see it, big
Come on,
boy.
come
Let's
on,
see it.
Come on.
I'll get away from you because, you know, the magnet's really strong, so I want to make sure. We're not in the way.
Yeah.
Don't want to be
Appreciate
pulling
it.
chicks
We
on
don't
the
say-
camera.
You know, can't be doing that these days.
Can't be
so
doing
I gotta,
that.
I need my space.
Give us space.
Thank
Give
you.
us space.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We want to also introduce you to the audience as your
Okay.
normal self when you're not, being a chick magnet.
Okay.
When does that ever happen?
When does
Once in a
that
while.
ever happen?
Once in a while.
This is Mariah. He is one of our sales agents. Well, he's the sales agent. You want me to call you the sales agent?
Whatever works for you.
That's a lot of pressure. I know. I just didn't
Yeah,
tell you.
just
I
a little
didn't tell
bit.
you live. I know I did.
Okay.
Okay, well, I can feel the pull.
I know,
Hold
I'm
on.
sorry,
I can
I'm
feel
sorry.
the pull.
I
Okay,
didn't mean to.
back up.
We're
Back
gonna
up.
be
Sorry.
trying to take my VP.
Right.
Come on
So,
now.
We're good.
Almost, Jamie? Yeah. All right, Jamie's ready.
What is the bra?
Okay, so Jamie was in the
There's a
top 3 as
magnet.
well because she was gum under the table. And everyone could see the table because Jamie's a little bit shorter than us. So, she got a lot of things going on. She got some tea, she got some fruit going on up here, and this was the gum. Everybody was sticking to her. They were sticking to her foot, everything. So, this was a top close, in the top 3 as well. But you can still go vote for Jamie. You never know. She might win on Facebook. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you.
Jamie likes to stick them, and I like to sniff them. Come on in here, Lock. What's going on?
This is Sarah. She's also a part of our service team, and Sarah is Lock from the night. Okay, first off, I'm gonna tell you what really happened. When I first came in the office today, she scared the mess out of me. I was like, "Whoa, you scared?" So she scared the mess out of me, and I was like, "Okay, Jamie, I didn't know everyone was dressing up like scary people today. I didn't know it." So she was scary in the mug. If you want to go to Facebook and vote for Sarah, you can.
Black teeth, man. They got
Yes,
me.
the black teeth got us. So Sarah is a really special part of our team, along with Shadon. They take care of all the service here in the agency, and we really appreciate it. And we appreciate you.
You're doing an excellent job.
Excellent.
No malarkey with that.
No malarkey. No malarkey.
Appreciate that. So we had a couple other people.
Yeah.
Well, they seem to be out of costume.
They got out of costume. They was, trying to get to work.
They got stuff to do. It's
But-
like a work day, people.
The work day. But some of our people didn't get out of costume. You know who didn't get out of costume? Our duck winners.
Our duck winners
Our
are
duck
still
winners.
dressed
They
up.
still dressed up.
We probably need to move those closer to the camera.
We probably do. I'm gonna take them like this so we can
Okay,
see.
you carry them over.
Okay, we'll carry them
Man,
over. You take
it's so good to have someone do all the work while I just stand here and look good.
That's what VPs do.
That's
Okay.
how it is.
So we had another contest besides the costumes. We had a duck costume contest, and these were the winners. This was first place. You see them? See them? Hawkmania, baby. First place.
Running wild over
One.
you.
Yes, Phil Miller made this. Number 2 was this one. Was the gold duck on the stand. Shadon made this one.
Added bonus, this has become the official duck contest trophy.
Official. And Sarah, third place, won this one. This is the Rubik's Cube ducky.
Down on the bottom.
So we showed you most, if not all, of the duckies on a prior post we put up, and on another episode we showed you most of the
That's
duckies.
true.
But these were the top ones. This was the official winner. And let me tell you, these ducks won a lot. This duck won $150.
Actually, it was the person that made the duck. The duck doesn't even need the money, Kamala. Listen, it's not an infrastructure bill.
Second place won $75.
$75.
75. Third
Got a lot of
place,
gold.
25.
Can't beat that.
Third place still winners.
You could buy 3 Rubik's Cubes in 1984 with that.
So we enjoyed all our Halloween contests this year. It was so great. Assistant President Biden. It was just great. It was great.
We had a wonderful time.
We did.
No poppycock.
No
I
poppycock.
said I wanted to use that word like 4 times today. See, 4.
And it's not over.
It's not over. We got
No.
time. We need your votes.
Yes.
On the link, the post, right? I'm gonna make it above. Maybe it'll be below, but it'll have a bunch of pictures of
Yes.
all the costumes that you just saw and a
Yes.
few more. You give it that little care symbol, right?
Care.
In between, kind of like the heart and the wow.
It's like the big face and then
Little heart. Aww. That's so cute.
So
we have to
cute.
use that as a pause face at some point.
and a pulse face. Well, because you got a hug and you gotta care. Just like that's a
Oh,
lot.
that's a lot.
That's a lot. We
That's
can't
a-
do the pulse face.
that's
We
a-
can't do it.
that's a-
Our pulse face, we're gonna do the back. We're gonna do the back to back. That's gonna be
Okay.
pulse. I like that one. That's what we're gonna
So that voting goes until 4 o'clock.
4 p.m.
See how I got 4 right this
do.
time?
Today only. Today only.
Today,
Yes.
Friday, October 29th.
I didn't even know the date.
That's what's up.
I didn't know. That's why you're the president.
That's how it
That's
works.
why you're the president.
I knew one thing, people. Thank you for that. All right, anything else we want to tell them?
No, we appreciate you for following us today for our Halloween costume contest. Come back plenty more times. We'll have our regular schedule, Insurance is Sexy show as normal, with the best part of it, the word of the day. Let's be honest. The word of the day is the best part.
I had an appertenant situation at home. We'll use that in the next story.
Oh, my
Can't wait.
Okay, President Biden.
All right.
That's that.
See
Right.
you. Have a good day.
I think Terry stopped it. Oh, President Biden did.